Go High Level Wizard here, and I'm back with another video on contracts in High Level and how you can get rid of PandaDoc, Docusign, all these other contract softwares, make your client's life easier, and actually reduce churn rate by so much. Okay, before I get into the video really fast, please subscribe to my channel by smashing the sub button below. If you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments or message me for free on Facebook. I greatly appreciate your time, and let's jump right in. Okay, so first things first, you're going to want to go down to payments. Then you're going to want to do documents and contracts. Make this a little smaller. Okay, so the first tab you're going to see is the documents and contracts tab. This is the basic interface on what it looks like. When you have a draft, which is when you're making, it'll be right here. Once you sent something out, but they have not signed it yet, it will appear right here. And completed is those who have completed the contract and gone through with it. Then I'm going to go into these in a second, but then you have templates, which is all of the documents you've created that you've templatized. So basically, if a client is always doing a hot water install and they already have a template for that, you can basically, or a contract for that, you can plug that in a template so you have that forever so your clients can send it out very easily, very quickly, okay? Just like on these other softwares. That way you can also use automations to get your time back and make this process so much easier. So they'll all pop up in there. And then we basically have the settings tab, which is basic settings of the contracts. So configure email sender, who it's coming from, what email, the basic documents received, making sure like anything for custom values, any email templates for when you're sending out email blasts. If you have like automations to our chatbots, you want to make sure that's dialed in, and then basically a template for once they sign it. And then team notifications. This is all for team members and users of High Level, so you dial it in so they understand when it's bigger scale, and then basically product invoicing to put this on products and whatnot to make your life easier. So these are just basic settings we want to take a look at to configure. And then right in here is how we're basically going to build said contracts. So the first thing I want to show you is you can upload a PDF. So if you want to download or upload your old contracts on Docusign, you can do it so easily right here, which is awesome. Just download, upload right through this, and that way once you have the PDF, you can make your life so much easier. Then once you're ready to create your document, you're going to click New Document right here to get started. Okay, so basic dashboard rundown. You have all of the elements that you're going to add here, which is all the blocks and all the fillable fields, which I'll go over in a second. Pages, this is how many pages said document has. Basic document variables, timestamp, where it's coming from, etc. And then recipients, so you can send it right up here by clicking send and then getting your contract out. By the way, on the app, this is much easier because they can just click send, and it's more geared towards someone sending. This is a little wonky because you have to put in the recipient and send here, but the app on Lead Connector makes it so easy to send these, and it's much more straightforward. Name up here, you just slap it in. But now we're going to go over creating a document or contract, more like it. So one of the things I want to say really fast, if people already have contracts, what I would recommend is looking at it and just plugging in and doing it right like this, like they have Docusign, and just copying it. Yes, you can do it with the PDF and plugging that in. Simple as that, very easy. But then what you can also do, if you're confused on how a contract looks, go to ChatGPT and have it generate one and plug in the stuff so you know. But I'm going to give you a basic rundown of what I would do if you're starting fresh for your clients and they need contracts or you need to copy one, just a basic template boilerplate and how to fill these in and how to do it. So what you're going to do, come to text. You're going to want the basic name. So John's contract, and I'm obviously just putting stuff in, put real stuff in when you do this. And then you're going to have the SOP and then the basic payment structure. Like I said, I'm breezing through this because this is not the important part. It's how to do this is the important part. You can go to ChatGPT or go online and find yourself a template so you can understand and copy and paste, but that part is so easy. For the sake of this, I'm just showing you the basics. So you put an SOP, the payment, blah, blah, blah. And then what you're going to want to do is for this, because I really like doing this, you may put an image in and whatnot. If they have products, remember, and I have a video, by the way, so go watch that on my channel because I go in depth on products and payments. You can create a product. So if people are sending the same thing again and again, this is how you kill and just save time. You would just add the item right like this, pick it, pick the price, which already has, click add item, and then you already have the item so they know, oh my gosh, this is exactly what I'm getting if it's a higher ticket thing and they want to use a contract. Then from there, what you can do, and you might not even need this if it already has a description. That's the beauty of High Level. It's all in one. And then from there, what you can do is you can put in the basic stuff. So let's come down to text And like I said, you'll find this on any template, but what you're going to want is you're going to want name, the basics of that. And almost all contracts have this, signature, and then date signed. And what you'll do, and this is where the fillable fields come in down here, what these fields are is they're fields you fill in so you see and have actual evidence that they signed. So it's not just like, oh, hey, check it out. We just have this thing that, you clicked on and checked a box. That's, in court, that's kind of tricky. So you want to do is you want to have the fillable fields. And like I said, there's templates online for you to find all of this stuff. But really all you do is put the signature in right here. It's just like Docusign, actually even better. You just put that right there. You come in here. You can put text field for name, if you want that. And like I said, the name is usually caught in the email. It's just safe to put that in there. And then date signed, you can put the date. That way you have covered all of your bases and you are good to go. And like I said, anything else you want to add, if you're copy and pasting, it's all right here. Putting in the text, the product, the images, tables, any fillable field, you literally just drag and drop. It's as easy as that. And you take all this, you drag and drop, and then you're good to go. And obviously click save. And then when you want to send it, you would come in here, click send via email, which you would click the recipient, or share via link. Now, here's the thing from the app. Like I said earlier, it's way easier from the Lead Connector app. You can just plug it in really fast, send them really quick, especially if you have the products added in. What you can also do, come right here, is basically download a PDF or convert template. So that's an interesting thing if people want to have something on hand. But like I said, again, you just go in here, plug it in really fast. It's so user-friendly. It's so simple. You just plug all this stuff in, and then you are literally good to go. Click send, put it in. But here's the main thing, and this is really what I want to get at, because that part is very simple, is two other things that I really want to go over now. Because to build contracts in HighLevel, it's just so easy. This video showed you exactly how to do it, and it's just so simple. You just drag and drop. There's not even that many fields. But I want to go over two more things, is why this is so important, and really how to do automations with this, because this is super important. So I just want to show you the basics of this, because I do think you'll like this because it's a good little tidbit. But if you come to create workflow, and you can even start from scratch, one of the really, really cool things you can do now, and this is a big thing HighLevel added, is having a contracts automated. So whether that's in pipelines, whatever it is, say, let's do invoice. Someone pays an invoice, okay? Or anything. You name it. Upgrades in a pipeline, whatever it is. You have the trigger, but the cool part is they just added this, and this is what's so cool is you can send contracts now. And they have this as this. We don't have the template saved. We don't have it saved, but the idea is you can add that, and then you're good to go. Like it's awesome. So now there is a feature that you can basically automate contracts being sent. So say you go in and you create the templates, which remember I showed you, if you go back, when you save anything, it saves in the templates, you can plug one of these in, and then anytime any trigger happens or whatever you deem necessary, you can automate that contract process. So valuable because so many service-based business owners don't have anything like this, and these kinds of little things make such a difference, because not only do you save them time, but they don't have to pay for Docusign. And that leads me to my next point. Now that you understand how to build contracts and the basics of automation, is why this is important and really how to do well with selling this. So let's hop on over. So I'm going to go over a little concept that is huge, because a lot of people, I think, miss out on this, and they don't utilize these little microservices within HighLevel. They always go for the big services. You can sell this for a lot of money. And just what you saw earlier, it's so easy. I literally just showed you the basics of how to make contracts and do all this stuff and even upload PDFs. It's so easy. This is way easier than the other softwares. And the thing is every business has a legal component for the most part, or they should. And they're already paying for this shit. You can't really get this stuff for free. You can get shitty free versions, but most people are paying. And what I want to show you is how you can basically take this service, keep your clients longer, and it's zero friction. Once you set this up, you're done. So basically, services that businesses are already paying for. It's the theme. They're already paying and using this. Contract and signing softwares are services businesses need and are already paying for. You can easily make yourself more valuable in the eyes of business owners by taking this over and keeping your clients on board longer. So I show right here, these are the average prices, and these may have changed since I made this video, but it's lowest plan really 20, and it can go up to 100 plus for PandaDoc. For Adobe Acrobat, it can be $15 a month to $300 a month. Docusign, $10 to $100 a month. So people are already paying for this stuff, and you can add this for free, guys, or you can charge. It's already there, though, is what I'm saying. And all you have to do is, once you take the legal side, it's just one more thing that you're interconnected where they can't leave you. And that's so, so important. And one of the best ways to sell this is just include this in your package or offer it for free to retain clients longer by managing their legal needs. Contracts and signing tools also enhance flexibility with chatbots and automations. Remember earlier, you can plug this into chatbots so it can send contracts, automations. So now that you have the legal side, you can have the chatbots start selling people, because without that, it gets a little finicky, and then helping you build that all-in-one system. And that's the recurring cash flow here, is that when you take over businesses, all of their needs, basically, they can't leave you, okay? Because you actually provide value. And I see this a lot with people doing SaaS, and they have churn rate. Like, oh, my client left me. It's because they're doing like one thing. You want to take over everything, guys. This is how you seriously make not only bigger dollars, but you'll keep your clients paying you longer. Because you actually control the house. You run their business digitally. And this is important because you want to make yourself so valuable that if you ever left, they would literally be ripping their hair out, screaming, trying to find you. You want it to be that way because that's leverage. Okay, and in this video, you learned how to build the contracts, which is super simple. You just have to go in, plug it in, or you can just upload the PDFs from their other softwares. It's basically done once you do it. You set it up and you're done, and now you have their legal. So this is just so important that you understand this, and you go and you're like, okay, I immediately have all these clients. Just ask them. Be like, hey, are you guys building, contract, or do you guys use Docusign for contracts or anything like that? And from there, you just have to take over. It's that easy. Like, this isn't like something you have to be manually doing all the time. You build them and then you're done. And like I said before, you can make it even easier with setting this up and adding it into the invoicing section. So invoices and contracts are all in one. Docusign doesn't have invoicing. Hope you know that. Like, you can have the all-in-one system with this. It's that freaking incredible. So you want to make sure you do that, because this is a great way to retain your clients longer, because it's just one more thing you're giving. Guys, that's it. You now know how to build contracts. If you have any questions at all, drop a comment down below or message me for free on Facebook. I also want to say I do have a free GoHighlevel 30-day trial link down below if you're interested. If you sign up, you get snapshots, goodies, help from me, all kinds of other stuff, free community. I do have that special partnership, and if you check in the main video on my channel, you'll see what that's about if you're interested in really learning this for free. But it's as simple as that, guys. I mean, really, I just want to make this really clear, is that contracts and documents are just so important to take over, because it's one of those things that's so easy, and you do it once and it's done. And it just makes you that much more valuable to keep your clients longer, because here on this channel, and what Go High Level Wizard preaches, is being valuable. You want to be needed. Otherwise, you're not going to survive in this market. You're just not. You have to have everything, because that's what keeps them paying you, because that's real value. Other than that, guys, thank you. Any questions, like I said below, drop it down below or let me know on Facebook, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Go High Level Wizard out.